In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to resend an invite to Xero Me 5 minutes. If an employee hasn't accepted their Xero Me invite or the original email expired, resending that invitation only takes a moment. Xero Me is the employee self-service app where staff can view payslips, manage leave, and update details. So making sure they have access keeps payroll running smoothly. Start by heading to the Xero login page, click login, enter your work email and your password, then click login again to continue. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. From the main navigation, open payroll. This takes you to the payroll area where you manage employees and pay runs. Next, go to employees. You'll see your employee list here. Find the person or people who need a fresh invite. If you're resending to more than one, you can select multiple at once. Use the checkboxes to select the employee records you want. Before you send the invitation, it's worth quickly confirming that each selected employee has the correct work email stored in their profile. If the email is wrong or out of date, the invite won't reach them. Also keep in mind that you'll need the right level of access in Xero to send invites. Payroll administrators or users with payroll permissions can perform this action. With the employee selected, click Invite to Xero Me. Xero will immediately generate and send a new invitation email to each selected employee. There's no need to create a new account for them. This simply reissues the invite link so they can set up or reactivate their access. Let your employees know to check their inbox for the new email and remind them to look in spam or junk folders just in case. The message contains a secure link they can use to accept the invite and sign in to Xero Me either in the mobile app or via a browser. If they don't receive the email within a few minutes, double check that their email address in the employee record is correct and ensure their mailbox isn't blocking automated messages. That's all there is to it. You log in, go to payroll, open employees, select who needs access, and click invite to Xero Me. A quick resend now can save a lot of back and forth later, and it helps your team access payslips and leave balances without delays. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, keep these steps handy the next time someone needs their Xero Me invite refreshed.